Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Face Unlock with mask support on HONOR Magic8 Lite. To do it, go to your settings and then select Biometrics and Password. Now, select Face Recognition and enroll your face. To do that, enter your screen password and click on Get Started. I will also enable Raise to Wake because I like that feature. Now let's put my face in frame and then wait a little moment. My setup's already complete. You can also enable face recognition with a surgical mask. That's what the video is about, so let's enable it. Now you can unlock it even with your mask on. And that's basically it. Let's try unlocking it. Since I have Raise to Wake enabled, I can just raise my phone, look at it, and it's unlocked. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.